Hey there, fellow car nerds. Welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk. Let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, we're going to start out north of the border today. Here we have a 2026 Jaguar kit car listed for $12,999 Canadian in Okanagan, Similkameen, British Columbia. It's been driven 2,500 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, very clean car, selling because I haven't driven it all year and I believe it should be driven more. And up next we have this 1995 Lamborghini Diablo, listed for $29,995 US in Veneta, Oklahoma, or Veneta. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, nice car, needs some work finishing the build. It is on a Fiero chassis with a fuel-injected Chevy V8. Alright, here we have a 1920s Bugatti replica kit car project, listed for $4,990 US in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Its condition is listed as used fair, and from the seller's description, 1920s Bugatti replica kit car, $4,990 or best offer, built on a 1960s VW Beetle frame and engine. I bought it as a project. It ran when I first got it, but it currently won't start, but engine turns over fine. Some mechanical attention needed to get back on the road. Okay, here we have a 1988 Ferrari Daytona kit car, listed for $42,900 US in Copiague, New York. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly. It's been driven 800 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, Ferrari 365 Daytona replica, built on a 1988 Corvette chassis and drivetrain, V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, power windows, digital dash, dual exhaust. Alright, here we have a 1956 Porsche 356 Speedster CMC replica, listed for $34,900 US in Los Angeles, California. It's been driven 3,600 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1956 Porsche 356 Speedster replica on a 1963 VW Beetle frame, restored inside and out and runs beautifully. 1914 cc engine, MP dual EPC 34 carburetors, double stainless steel exhaust, disc brakes, and new shocks. Okay, back north of the border for a moment here. Here's a 1973 Dune buggy, listed for $17,500 Canadian in Quebec City, Quebec. It's been driven 13,000 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, now this is translated from French, 1973 Volkswagen Dune buggy, 1641 cc engine, very nice machine in perfect condition, road legal. Okay, here we have a 1923 Ford T-Bucket, listed for $15,000 US in Sherwood, Oregon. It's been driven 5,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1923 T-Bucket Roadster, 350 Chevy, 350 transmission, runs and drives great, fun, and fast. Alright, here's one that I had never heard of before, a 1985 Henderson Machiavelli Max Ferrari replica, listed for $9,000 US in Oak Harbor, Washington. It's been driven 75,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1985 Machiavelli Max, these cars were produced by Henderson Motor Company from Florida from 1985 to 1987 to be a replica of the Ferrari 308. The rights were bought from Pontiac, Chevy, Ford, and Ferrari to produce this car, and then the company was sued by Ferrari. This car is made of a 1985 Pontiac Firebird body, powered by a Chevy 350 mounted to a T400 transmission. It is in running condition and drives, but I am putting in new transmission cooler lines. It does need some TLC to bring it back up to par, and looking like it should again. Alright, here's a 1934 Fraser Nash replica, listed for $6,750 US in Albert Lea, Minnesota. It has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1934 Fraser Nash replica, current collector plates, insured, 4-speed, VW powered, fun to drive, fuel sensor needs to be replaced. Alright, bringing up the rear, this one obviously needs some body work, but apparently it is in running condition and could be fixed up while enjoying it. Here we have a 1929 Bugatti replica, listed for $2,650 US in Wooster, Ohio. It's been driven 93,000 miles and has a manual transmission. Listed in good condition, here's the seller's description. 1929 Bugatti kit car on a 1967 Volkswagen frame, Volkswagen motor, 4-speed manual, does run and drive, clean title, $2,650 firm. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.